alaikum, dear students. This is class 4. The subject is SST and the topic is mentioned on page 50 in your book. Today our topic is minerals. Okay, minerals. Before minerals, let me tell you something. That is a natural resource. Natural resource is a kind of resource, is a kind of thing that is directly given to the people by Allah Almighty. It means that in the formation of natural resource, man has nothing to do with it. Okay, Allah Almighty has directly provided us this thing from land, from mountain, or from somewhere else. Okay, so anything that is extracted from land or mountain, that is taken out from land directly. For example, coal, gold, natural gas. A thing that is taken out from the land directly is called a natural resource. For example, coal, natural gas, or gold. So this was just definition of natural resource. Now come towards minerals. Minerals. What are minerals? Mineral are also natural resource. Minerals are also natural resource, okay, that is taken out from land or from mountain. It means that we take it out from mountains or land. So we do not directly make minerals, okay. In other words, we do not directly form minerals. Allah Almighty provide us directly. Okay, and after extraction, what we do, we make different kind of things in industries and factories. I mean, if I extract mineral from land, what I will do, I will take this mineral into industry or factory, and with the help of different machinery, I will make something new from that mineral. Okay, so minerals are divided into two parts, two groups: metallic, non-metallic. Minerals are divided into two parts: metallic, non-metallic. Okay, now come towards metallic. The examples of metallic minerals are copper, manganese, silver, iron, gold. Okay. Now, what is the examples of metallic? I have written over there. Okay, they are extracted from mountains or from land. We make different kind of things from metallic. From copper, we make copper wire. Okay, you may have seen different wires that is also utilized in your electricity, in your mining, in your oil industry, in your mine industry. We use copper wire. Manganese, also a metallic mineral. Silver, very common. Okay, silver, things which have been made by silver are utilized back at your homes, okay, in your kitchens as well. Okay, different kind of plates, glass jugs are made from silver. Iron, definitely iron is also utilized in your homes, in your kitchens. Gold, you all people know where we use gold. So these are the examples of metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals, okay, these minerals are very shiny, very shiny. Okay, they will provide you shine. Non-metallic, they are not metallic, and they are not directly used in your kitchen. They can be used in your kitchen, but they cannot used be to they cannot be used in your kitchen. So non-metallic examples are ruby, diamond, emerald. They are embroidery products. It means that you make different kind of things from these minerals and you wear it for your ornament. Okay, particularly the women, they wear द ऑर्नामेंट मेड बाय नॉन मेटालिक मिनरल। ठीक है, जैसा कि ख़वातीन होती हैं वो इसकी अंगूठियाँ या इसके हार जो होते हैं वो पहनना और वो इस्तेमाल करना पसंद करती हैं। ठीक है, तो ये ज़ेवरात की शक्ल में पाया जाता है नॉन मेटालिक, इससे हम ज़ेवरात भी बना सकते हैं। तो आज का टॉपिक इतना ही। आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड एंड enjoyed from today's topic. If you have any kind of query, you can have a contact with me through our WhatsApp number that is given to you, and within a couple of days inshallah I will provide you worksheet related to this topic. Thank you very much.